Everyone thinks the best-selling sublimation printer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Hiapu Sublimation Ink. Let's kick things off with the Hiapu Sublimation Ink. Priced around $25.54, this ink set caught my attention because it's a bestseller. If you want vibrant colors in your mug designs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Hiapu ink is compatible with a variety of printers like the ET2720 and ET4800, making it super versatile. With 4,000 plus buyers recently, it's clear people love how it brings designs to life on items like mugs and t-shirts. The color vibrancy is impressive. You get deep blacks and bright colors that don't fade. Plus, the ink is certified for quality, ensuring you get consistent results every time. Now, some people complained about the colors being slightly off from what they saw on their screens. Here's the thing though, sublimation is all about the right settings and materials. If you're using the right substrate, the prints should absolutely shine. This is perfect for you if you're looking to start a DIY business or just want to make custom gifts. Skip this one if you're looking for something that works with plain paper or non-sublimation projects. Considering the quality, it's a solid value for your money. Now, if you're looking for the paper to pair with this ink, the next product might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, A-Sub Sublimation Paper. Next up is the A-Sub Sublimation Paper. At $19.99 for a pack of 110 sheets, this one is another bestseller, and for good reason. If you want reliable transfer results, this is worth your time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The A-Sub paper guarantees a transfer rate of over 98%, meaning your designs will come out crisp and without any hiccups. It's perfect for items like mugs, tumblers, and t-shirts, as long as they're the right material. Many users praise its fast-drying capability, which means less waiting around for your designs to be ready. 53,700 reviews with a solid 4.8-star rating show that it's trusted by many creatives. Now, some users have pointed out that the paper can sometimes curl if conditions aren't ideal. Here's the thing though, storing it correctly and ensuring your printer settings are optimized usually prevents this issue. This is perfect for you if you want to create a variety of custom items and appreciate high-quality outcomes. Skip this one if you need paper for regular inkjet printing, as it's designed strictly for sublimation use. For the price, you're getting an exceptional deal on quality paper. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something that guarantees fantastic prints every time, the next product will catch your eye. Product number 3, HTVRONT Sublimation Paper. Now let's talk about the HTVRONT Sublimation Paper, which is priced at $21.99 for 200 sheets. If you want to save on costs while getting vibrant results, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts an ultra-high transfer rate of over 98%, just like the A-Sub, but comes with extra sheets for those larger projects. Users love how it doesn't crack or wrinkle after washing, which is critical for items you'll actually use like mugs. The bright colors pop after transfer, and with 1,300 reviews backing it up, it's clear this paper delivers. Now, there have been mentions of it sometimes smudging if not used properly. Here's the thing though, following the drying instructions can easily mitigate this issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking to do bulk printing for events or gifts. Skip this one if you're not ready to handle the finer details for printing. Considering the quantity and quality, it's a great buy. Now, if you're looking for a heat press to go along with these supplies, the next product will blow you away. Product number 4, HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press. Coming up next is the HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press, retailing at $139.99. What caught my attention here is its ease of use. If you want to simplify your heat pressing experience, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine automatically applies the right pressure for different tumbler sizes, making it super user-friendly. It accommodates a wide range of tumbler sizes from 2.9 to 3.2 inches in diameter, so you don't need multiple machines. Plus, it heats up to 390 degrees F, which is more than enough for most sublimation projects. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 2,200 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective. Now, some people have mentioned that it can take a bit longer to heat up than expected. Here's the thing though, once it's hot, it saves you time on the transfer process, making it worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and efficient way to create sublimated mugs. Skip this one if you're working with very small projects or need something portable. For the price, you're getting a high-quality machine that saves you a lot of hassle. Now, if you want a similar option but in a different color, the next product might just be for you. Product number 5, HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press Blue. Finally, we have another HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press, but this one comes in a sleek blue. It's also priced at $139.99. If you like options, this one's worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers all the same fantastic features as the previous model, including automatic pressure adjustments and auto shutoff for safety. It fits the same range of tumbler sizes, ensuring you can create professional-grade mugs without breaking a sweat. With a similar rating and review count, it's just as trusted as its white counterpart. Now, some users have pointed out that the blue color can show smudges more easily. Here's the thing though, a quick wipe down after use keeps it looking sharp. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine but prefer a different aesthetic. Skip this one if you're not a fan of blue or prefer a more classic look. It's a solid investment that offers both style and function. So there you have it. We covered the Epson Sublimation ink for vibrant colors, A-Sub and HTVRONT papers for quality transfers, and the HTVRONT heat presses for ease of use. Each option has its strengths, so consider what fits your projects best. Happy printing!